I have a circuit here. We have a 555 timer, a variable resistor, and a capacitor. And this is in astable mode. Right now I have the duty cycle set to almost 100%. It's 97.85% right now. So let's start recording what we see here. So as I increase the knob here on the resistor, it's going to change the duty cycle. So turn it. As I increase the duty cycle, the frequency goes down. I can also adjust the frequency by adjusting the capacitor. Pretty cool. This right here is ground, and this is pin 3 is the output of the timer. I have ground connected to pin 1. Pin 8 is the VCC in, and then the variable resistor is plugged into pins 8, 7, and 6. There's a jumper wire between 2 and 6. And this capacitor right here is actually going between 2 and 1. So the capacitor goes to ground. So let me increase the duty cycle here. And as you notice, the frequency goes